Hi everyone, I'm Jamie. I'm here today at a success story photo shoot and here to show you behind the scenes of what are some of the perks that you get as a success story when you turn in your story along with your before and after picture and we select you as a winner. So today I'm here with Jan Robinson. She's from Bradenton, Florida. She used Almost Said and loves it. And we're here to photograph her, take videos of her, and also she's here to share with us her success story. So Jan, can you tell us how you're feeling today?
Oh, I'm just feeling amazing. Before I was on Almost Said, I couldn't walk very far. I really suffered severely from a trapped nerve or whatever it was in my back, and it's just totally changed my life. Once I started losing the weight, the pain went.
Yeah.
And now I'm hoping to get back to dog sports because it was my dog friends that introduced me because they lost weight on Almost Said too, a lot of weight. So I'm hoping to get running again and get my life back.
Yeah, that's fantastic. I mean, I can see how the energy is just exuding from you, and you have your dog here today. Yeah, he's a little cute guy, and it just seems like you have lots of energy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I mean, my energy now is just amazing, and I sleep better too. My sleep pattern has changed a lot, and my energy is good throughout the whole day.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Yeah, I'm so excited for you to get back to dog sports, and you had mentioned before when we were talking that you want to get back into tennis.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, as a perk for being our success story, I'm just so glad that you're sharing this story with us because so many people can be inspired by the changes that you've made. We wanted to give you a little gift to take home with you.
Thank you.
So I'm going to show you some of the goodies. So you get a shirt that says, "Ask me how I lost weight on Almost Said." So I mean, it's a gym shirt or bedtime shirt you can wear. Yeah. And then we have a blender bottle here. So you can take your Almost Said on the go whenever you're traveling. You mentioned that you do travel a lot. So it comes with a metal whisk inside to help you mix up the Almost Said shake.
But it's insect.
Yeah. And this is a little goodie it's a very special goodie that we only give to people like you. This is called a Fit Go. So you know how it's hot outside in the summer and a lot of times it's hard to keep our drinks cold? You use this as a cooler or insulator. It's like a koozie for your blender bottle. Not only that, you can put your credit cards on there, you can put your phone on there, it even hooks to your key ring. Yeah, it's very handy.
Thank you.
And of course, we have to share with you more Almost Said. Yeah. You get, 3 cans of Almost Said as a prize.
Thank you.
Yeah, there you go. And of course, you have this bag here where you can keep everything.
Yes.
And we also have another koozie that you can use with your glasses.
Okay, thank
There
you.
you go. And an Almost Said tea. So this is not for dieting per se, but a lot of people like to drink it just as a beverage. It's naturally caffeine free, and you can have it any time of day. It really helps you relax and helps with digestion.
God,
Yeah,
good.
so this is for you. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
being here.
Thank you.
We'll put everything back in this bag for you. And then, right after this photo shoot, we're going to head on over outside the park, and Jan is going to be taking some pictures with her dog. And so we can't wait to show it to you and share her story with you on our blog. So if you would like to be a success story with Almost Said, be sure that you submit your story on our website, almostsaid.com, or email us at stories@almostsaid.com. Thanks so much for watching.